Good morning, Project Energy. Good morning, good morning. It's another wonderful day out here. So, uh, going into this fall, not too hot, not too cold, so it's fabulous. Anyways, so what do you guys think is going to happen with the Fed announcement coming up? We believe it's on Wednesday. I think it's the 20th. Um, Obviously, I think the market is predicted another quarter point hike, interest rate hike. Um, whether good, bad, or not, I don't know. You be the judge. Um, I guess the biggest question though is there going to be another hike or increase in November, which a lot of people are saying wasn't really prepared or projected. Um, so turn my car on here for just a second. Apologize, but yeah. So, what do you guys think? What are your thoughts? Um, on that, and what do you think the stock market is going to do um, if there is another hike in November? Um, I feel like these rates are going to continuously going up, or continue to keep going up, basically until the election. That's my thoughts. That's my 2 cents, if it's worth that much. Um, but that's my thought. I think it's going to keep going up until we get closer to the election. Rates are going to come back down. It's going to be a buying frenzy for houses. People are going to go nuts. People that have been waiting to buy, or people that have been waiting to move and that have been locked into low interest rate mortgages. And housing prices are going to go, if they have pulled back a little bit, some areas possibly, they're going to skyrocket just as much, if not more than what they have in the last year or two coming out of this pandemic. But my thought is if you're planning on buying a house and you're waiting on the rate, either A, buy down the rate, or just buy now, and then potentially you may be in a position to refinance if you do put down a decent down payment when these rates do pull back. Now I could be completely wrong. This is just, like I said, my opinion and information, or my thoughts only. This is not me telling you or giving you any kind of advice, but that's my thought. Like I said, some areas the market's still crazy. There's people still snatching up houses. There's still people still moving. There's still multiple offers. In my area, in the part of Virginia that I'm in, houses are still selling. But there has been a little bit of a slowdown when school started back. Talking to some people, but I felt like if you're in the market to buy, do not buy because of the rate. Get the house you want if you can afford it. If you have the financial means to do so, buy it. Wait and see if there is a pullback in the rate, and then be in the position to refinance, versus wait and then be in a bidding war and then end up paying 15, 10, potentially $20,000 more for that same house, where there is not many buyers or people competing right now, and you potentially could get a discount on the home you're trying to buy. So it could be even a larger swing than that. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what where are you putting your money at? Are you putting your money into the stock market right now? Are you putting your money into money market account, or are you buying real estate? What are you doing? Something else I've seen is more multi-family properties, small apartment buildings, large, under 12 unit apartment buildings coming on the market because of these interest rates, and people that bought on balloon mortgages, 1 to 5 year balloons, or potentially 7 year balloon, are coming due, and these rates are going, where they were in the 3s and 4s, maybe 5s, are going to 9, 10, 11%, and they're up for sale. So potentially it could be, depending on how tight their cash flow is or how they bought that property, on the purchase price, they may be in a predicament to where they're losing their negative cash flow. So there could be some buying opportunities there if that's something that you're looking for or you're into doing. But yeah, tell me what your thoughts. Definitely interesting times. I personally am enjoying the higher rates on the money market. I mean, it's played well to my advantage. You know, sold off some properties and basically just parked that money in there, and I'm earning 5% guaranteed every month. You know, so but yeah, let me know your thoughts. Thanks. Have a good day, guys.